What if some of the things in the universe are not galaxies, stars, or even black holes, but something we have never seen before? Since the James Webb Space Telescope started working, astronomers have been looking deeper into space than before. They found some surprising things, like mysterious objects called little red dots. These tiny bright objects were everywhere in the early universe just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang happened. They are small, red, and more massive than scientists thought. By about 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang, they just disappear. At first, researchers thought these objects were galaxies, with young stars and dust. The numbers did not make sense. There was not dust to explain their color. There would have to be almost too many stars, which is not possible. The next idea was that they were supermassive black holes. Their brightness and some signs seemed to fit. But there was a problem. These objects did not give off X-rays, which active black holes should give off a lot. Now people are talking about an interesting new idea. What if these little red dots are actually stars with black holes inside or something like that? Picture a hole that is growing really fast and it is hidden inside a big cloud of hydrogen gas. The gas keeps the energy radiation from getting out, which makes the little red dots look red, and it also hides the black hole that is inside. This idea might explain why the little red dots are so bright and why they look so strange. It could also explain how the big black holes in the universe got so big fast a long time ago. Are the little red dots the connection between the first stars and the big black holes that came first? We do not know that yet. But one thing is, for sure, the little red dots are changing what we thought we knew about the universe when it was first made. That is what makes the little red dots one of the coolest things that people have found out since the James Webb Telescope started working when it was first made. That is what makes the little red dots one of the coolest things that people have found out since the James Webb Telescope started working.